Okay, I'm gonna try to downgrade. Um, so you do multi-tap. Um, let me put the password. Okay, so it'll take a while to connect to the internet. Okay, custom software. So I'm gonna put, sorry, installer and installer dot comma dot AI slash, I'm sorry, slash comma AI, then slash version v 0.9.5 and go. So I hope it does not hang. I have T-Mobile home internet. It has an average of 40 megabits per second upload compared to my old Comcast setup, which is like 4. Then, see, it doesn't work. Um, so the tag does not work. So there you go. It put me in a loop. It puts me in a loop. So let's try master CI. So this should work. So yeah, the tag, I can hit the 100%, but it will keep me in a loop to go to the URL. So I don't know. So for me, it does not work. Um, Installer, this one works with the master CI, but definitely it will work via SSH, because I've done it before. So I just want to finish the video here. So yeah, I got plenty of time on my hands tonight, so I don't mind making this video. I think the best is you fork it, and then install the fork via URL. I guess, I don't know. But for me, I just do SSH. It's easier, less headache. Uh, so if you're a newbie and you don't know a thing about SSH, uh, you can search it. Search inspect how to set up SSH um, using OpenPilot Toolkit. Okay, uh, that's the easiest path to learning to setting up SSH. Okay. So I noticed if you uninstall OpenPilot, um, it will just give you the OpenPilot option. There's no URL. So either if you want to uninstall it, okay, because um, you already signed the agree to the terms, I guess. That's why they have the OpenPilot um, there already for ease, so it's easier for you if you just want to reinstall OpenPilot. But once your system reset it, okay, once your system reset it, it will give you the option of a dash cam, okay, but no OpenPilot. Okay, but no OpenPilot. I don't know. So did I get did I get a scroll on the? I'm not sure. I forget already. But anyway, that's what I noticed. So always do a system reset with the using multi-tap. Once it reboots, start tapping. Okay. If you want to do the URL install, here you go. So this is master CI, so it will take a while to compile. Wait, it's already compiled. Should be faster. Anyway, while waiting, let me talk about my side mount again. The VHB is properly cured. So anyway, so since like let's say you only drive uh, how many hours a day? Let's say you're going to work 1 hour, or let's say 2 hours worth of driving per day. Okay, per day. So you install your BHB. Okay, so install it. Let's say you can wait for 1 day, 24 hours. Okay, if you're in, or let's say 2 days, and you're inching into, you want to use it right away. Um, so may I suggest is do the do the center mount. Okay, do the center mount and do the side mount too. Okay, so if you really want to use it right away after 24 hours, you can use the side mount. Okay, and then when you're done with your driving, you just unmount it. Okay, and let it cure. So this one is curing. You can have it cure for how many, um and then you can use this one as an alternate. Okay, um but you have to change the yaw though. Okay, so you have to look at my recent video how to change it. um Again, I highly advise for you to learn SSH. Okay, but if you don't, if you're a non-techie and then you don't want to be bothered with SSH, let the center mount cure. So basically, just be patient. Wait for 3 days. That's it. Be patient. And that's it. You know, 3 days will go fast. So just wait. Clean it with alcohol. Proper prepping. And wait for 3 days. Okay. But for me, since I already know about SSH and everything, I think I did 2 days. I did 2 days, and then whenever I don't use the C3, I take it out. Okay, so there's less stress on the BHP. So there's a lot of ways. There's a lot of ways you wanna enjoy Open Pilot. You can enjoy it right away, you know, within a day or two, or just be patient because curing the VHB properly, it's really a good investment when it comes to maintaining the you know the connection of the VHB to the windshield. It really makes a big difference, guys. So just be patient. That's all I can advise. And it's worth it because summer is coming, and we're gonna have a lot of. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a lot of posting about C3 falling or peeling off. Okay, because it's due to the improper prep, or you're hasty to use it without the 3-day curing. Okay, so just be patient. So this is the whatever master CI, the current master CI I'm installing right now. So that this is how long it takes. So then the terms, then and the training. Okay, so this is Open Pilot Master CI, May 5th, 097. Okay, there you go, guys. So the URL installed via tag using tag does not work for me at least. Okay, thank you. Bye.